Hey, what's going on, my friends? Alright, so today we're going to be doing a big old giant canvas. So I've been watching some people on YouTube, and they do really cool things with really cool ideas. You got to be kind of careful here because, well, yeah, my table goes to here. So when I get to this edge, or who knows, I just might mask over the edge and so I don't get it. I don't care. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Yeah. So we're going to start applying this. Went and got a much bigger palette knife and a much bigger than that one palette knife. I'm not liking the small canvases as much. So I've been thinking about just making my own canvases, and I think it might be kind of cool to make my own. I know it's doable. I've seen people do it, so so I'm kind of thinking what we'll be doing is we'll be taking these colors and kind of spread them out over this canvas, and then we'll come up. This is going to be a two-part painting. So what we're going to do today is the base layer, and then we're going to come back in and do the layer that's going to go over it. Because it's going to have multiple layers, and I think the idea is going to be really cool. I think you guys will really like it. Alright, but we'll start blending this together. I'm not going to be too worried on the base layer because a lot of it's going to be may or may not be covered up depending on what we get with this little business here. But yeah, let's just kind of start. We're just going to be mixing it around. Back off, blue. Not yet. All right, blue time. Somebody mentioned that they thought they liked the sound of the knife scraping on the canvas. I think it's I find it to be like a satisfying sound. Some of the look at that color, it's just so alive. Holy cow. And of course, my dogs haven't been playing all day, well, since I've come home. And now, as soon as I'm starting on this now is when they start wrestling. How it catches just the highest parts in there. I'm gonna have to, oh shoot. What were we just looking to do? Shoot, what was I just trying to do? I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna clean this off. Oh, because I want to pull up, I need to pull up some of that blue. That's kind of cool. Just kind of share out the stuff all around. I like that. Kind of gives dimension to the other parts of the painting too, which I like that as well. Alright, now let's do the blue. And then we've got another layer of white that I'll show you what we do in there in just a second. Yeah, cool. Okay. What color is this? Oh, it's cerulean blue. I was thinking that's not phthalo blue. Okay. Huh. That's kind of funny. I really thought it was a different color. Okay, gotta settle down around these edges here. I can't wait for you guys to see what we're gonna do next video, because this video is kind of the prep. I need it to dry in between. We're gonna involve some tape, which should be pretty awesome. I've not used really tape in any of my art stuffs before, so we're gonna use some tape and what else? Yeah, I'm just looking forward to it. I think it's gonna be so cool. Get onto the corners. Okay. Now, whoops, I didn't mean to dig down into it. So if you're not careful as you're trying to go level right across everything, if you let it tilt too far on the leading edge, you start scraping up your paint, which, you know, isn't going to be a bad thing, but when you're trying to do some very specific stuff, here, let me give you an example. I'll dig some paint up and then I'll brush it back over. So if you let that bottom part go, it just starts scraping up everything that's there, which, yeah, so that green yellowy over here. Okay, so now I'm going to wipe off my brush, do the white, and then we'll let it dry for the night. Man, that is a genius plan I got going here. This is all super clear, like cellophane type stuff. Now I can't even tell what I've brushed stuff on already and what not. And the white is, oh, here it is. Every time I look at this, I'm thinking it's like a cadmium yellow, because I see there, or maybe like a cadmium yellow, yellow ochre, whatever. Okay. So, B. We're just going to do some really random whitey stuff in the middle. Most of it's going to be gone tomorrow, but some of it will stay. Nice. Okay, we're going to do a little bit more white and then we'll be done. There we go. All right, guys, I can't wait till tomorrow. I can't wait to show you. This is the beginning part. This is what today's is going to look like. Actually, this is kind of cool looking as it stands. This will darken up as it dries, this blue. Yeah, I think that'll be cool. I think next time I'll put more green on the canvas, because the Winsor & Newton, this permanent green is it's got an open square, so it's opaque. Permanent pigment, light fast. Yeah, so anyway, like this is our cerulean blue. Notice it's got can you see that? It's got a solid square in it. That means it's less see-through or less opaque. Anyway, I'm sure you all know that. If you didn't, now you know. Knowing is half the battle. G.I. Joe. Okay, my friends. I don't know where to put this down. I'm not going to put it down. I'm going to hold it. Oh. Wow, that was awesome. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. So next video, which will be tomorrow, we're going to be using some tape. We're going to be using some more wild colors, and we're going to be building up this one to just keep adding and layering interest and doing some fun stuff. Anyway, I hope you liked it, and if you did, would you like it? And maybe even subscribe if you might. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, bye. I like that bit right there. I like that bit right there also. Yeah, there's a lot of cool things. Cool. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.